somsakazi Nanda 88.4 FM yangena indudakazi yoncwane yosengwayo Hamashe sithi asilungiseni sikhuthaza ukuhamba ezimisweni zikaMveli Nqangi ukuzazi nokuzithanda khona indaba enhle wakamyeza ukhona uThabo wakaSamboti namhlanje ke uyalazi udaba ngizoba idedela nje sibingelelane kulusuku namhlanje siyabonga kakhulu komsizi bakithi siyabonga entokazini zonke ze inanda kuthi ngisho njalo nje namhlanje kuseni siyabingelela ekseni bantu besifazane kunento enginiphathelele kunento efanele sukunyelwe yinina kulolu suku namhlanje kuya le kuyaqhubeka kuya le kodwa ke okwamanje masizothi asilungiseni ngo 9:17 sohlala kuze kushaye 12 ngifisa ukuthi ingqondo yakho nakho konke okunye kwakho ukubeki la uvula khulu volume batshele nabanye abangakeze ukuthi sesikhona batshethe hayibo sebeda ithimba lika asilungisene siqale silalelana ke kuqala kodwa.
The following program contains mature subject matter, coarse language and discussions of religious beliefs, ways of life and those of sexually suggestive nature. These may seem offensive to sensitive listeners and parental discretion is strongly advised.
All right. Alright Dabenhle angikubingelele ekseni mfowethu bese ke sithula esizokukhuluma kulolu suku namhlanje
abalaleli benanda FM simbonge umdali wezulu nomhlaba usiphe ukusithanda ukuzinikela ubuqotho ungaqoloti sime phezulu kwamaqhuma kepha sibe nenkonzo ukuzehlisa ukuzinikela ukuzithanda nothanda sizoke sisuke ke sicubungula ulwazi silithathe silibuyisele kubantu balisebenzise ukuze babiyele esimweni njengoba umdali wabayibadalile.
Sure. Thabo
lobukazi sibonge umdali esigcinile saphinde sahlangana njengoba sashilo sathi uma evumile siyawuphinda sihlangane
sesikho
yebo siyabonga sibingelele
yeah ndaba into topic namhlanje ithe ukungiphaphamisa ngendlela mangabe ngiyicabanga nganalento ukuthi yazi ke mhlambe khona ukuzombuleka kubantu abathizeni.
Definitely yeah. One izodinga umqondo ovulelekile lokwesisithi endlovukazi ukuba objective.
Yeah.
Number 2 izodinga ukuthi uclean ukuba defensive. Unga defend izinto ngenayo knowledge because there is a tendency within the Christian folk. They jump into defense umuntu engayicontextualize.
Yeah.
Number 2, it's clear that Christianity was never monotheistic. It has always been henotheistic ngizoyichaza. Kunonkulunkulu abaningi la kwa Christianity. Isizwe saletha onkulunkulu baso ngaphakathi. In order to build a strong Christian nation, therefore a Christian world, it decision was very poor to accept these gods. What Judaism was never monotheistic, it was totally henotheistic. In ama deities, or El, or Yahweh, or Hashem, these were different deities, and amanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu wodwa e.g. sengiphinde more than 100 times ukuthi uyawakokuyiche later on it was disemboweled and then given a God space.
Okay, ndaba mhlambe ke kuzomela mesisikhuluma kahle siqale la ku understand indaba ye monotheism.
Yes,
henotheism. All right, mhlambe ke sithi ukuthinta kancane ke nje on the highlights the week siqalelisha manje what has been happening, what's up, do we see change, to what's going on around the world?
The South Africa as a country is nervous. Everybody is afraid, is fearing a collapse, but akekho onesibindi ukukhuluma iqiniso ukuthi yeah ilo nalo ubheka neighbor wakho ukuthi who jumps first. But it could take one crazy statement esokwenza kumadlanga commission or anywhere that will set the country alight. I promise you.
Do you think they will be that careless?
When umuntu me desperate will do anything.
Silapho man.
Sickness of space.
So we need to get people ready.
And to be honest, social media doesn't help. Because it fuels. Yabona uma unokuthola ama-page athi South Africa you're not angry. Now if say 16 million people in South Africa be exposing the page South Africans are not angry, what do you think happens?
So, but you're not angry enough, or you're not
You're not angry enough, because bad things are still happening, yeah.
So we should say they're not thandazing enough.
There comes another stupid, idiotic thing that South Africans are doing. Kuphuka ingane esikoleni sekuzoba yokuthandaza. Instead of rushing the daughter to astrologist, splinter ends the operation quickly. If I were a plaster of Paris, yothandaza. Ngicela ukubuza a simple question. Bekuyothandazelwa neThembisa. Yeah. What was the need for that? Yeah, we are cancelled. People went, they were on fire like social network. But what? Yothandazelwana. I expect a prayer. Even his term even his term Lesuf was put out there. Now he denounced it.
Yeah.
We've got, every government that is corrupt, the best religion that they use is Christianity. Around the world, by the way. Every rotten government will use Christianity.
Why?
It's user friendly. Gagos we Christianity on Islam on corruption. Christianity follows about Judaism. Now you're not going to user friendly, but you're not discriminatory. User friendly to its own kind. When a guy will come ufune protection back niggas.
Protected by,
yeah. A good example. Wonke amaJuda abaleke America grape ingane incane. They end up kwa Israel and then nobody follows that. Including rabbis. So you ever
rabbis
spiritual leaders as well. So we've got this situation which every a deputy minister for education in South Africa and the scandal. So banamkhuleko mama sesonto ndasemaromeni bangozela umkhuleko. We don't deal with problem, we hide behind the prayer.
We don't deal with problems, we hide behind the prayer.
Now here's the deal about the prayer. The prayer changes nothing. Prayer changes nothing, but it changes you so that you have ukusebenza ngawo.
So kushuthi masikhuleka
akengiphinde futhi stuck Lord. Prayer changes nothing, but it changes you so that God can work with you and through you.
Ngamamazi uthi ayishintshe lutho esimweni esiyinkinga.
Wendabgazi akufike nespace ufike nespace uskuphe na istudio sinstole emlazi. Will that ever happen? No, you can't. You can't even pray for it. You can't pray for the mountains to be straight.
Okay.
Yeah, that will never happen. You can't pray for Durban for an Miami. It could take about 600 years. But you have to employ engineers, town planners. You know, by the way, you need to pay them close to 200 million to do that. Environmental assessment, what will happen to the storm and seas. Then also implement it. There are buildings that were hijacked, are built in the context of Miami. Street to value turn into a water channel. That could take a good 500 years. But I was Miami. Such will never happen. That is the mindset Yamakrest.
Okay, so when to pray?
What is prayer? Straight up. It's organizing, preparation, spiritual hygiene that allows you to communicate with yourself, within yourself, for things that you want to do.
Yo!
Asif.
Sizap.
Umkhuleko ayukuthandaza akufani sisichaza futhi nalokho. Umkhuleko ukuzi organize wena. Ucela ingqondo yakho ukuthi yenze njani, ifocus, ibe organize ukuze ukwazi ukuthi ngephupho lamehlo uphuphe inhlelo ozozenza. Imibono emihle vision ofuna ukuyenza bese kuthi egcineni ke bese uthi konke ukufake into perspective kuzokwenzeka kanjena. bese gcineni mdali ngiphe amandla impilo ukuthi lezi zinto ngikwazi ukuzenza
zenzeke okay thandaza
ukuthandaza you see I don't know how many times because I've prayed you ukuthandaza ngiyathanda so bese ngizenjani ngiexpressa ukuthanda wena kwami yeah so muthandaza kumdali uyamthanda uexpress ukuzithanda kwakho kuyena
Lwazalusha asilungiseni bafowethu yonke into iya ngokuthi wena uzivuleleni indlebe lezi zokuthi sikhulisane sibonisane ebese siyalungisa la singenzanga khona kahle 068 764 9969 068 764 9969 yona number ke le engathi mawuqala nje ufuna ukukhomenta WhatsApp commenta kuyona then uzosithola kwi page Inanda 88.4 FM i group asilungiseni Inanda FM sikhona nje bafowethu sixoxe lento abayizwayo bayizwa bangayizwa ngebazibayizwa bayibamba sebebadala
always khothu babumbele hayi khehle qhubeka sasuqhubeka
ngoba wena iyakusebenzela and guys ngicela nini kuze kwehlela amazwi angemahla awenzondo ukuthi laba bafuna ukushintsha laba sebekhuluma into ephambene nevesi nani uthe indaba enhle masiqala as defend singanalo lwazi so if we can like really focus on that you don't defend something that you do not know
so fukazi how do Christians who don't read the Bible defend Christianity
ngoba balifunda
kwale Bible
ngoba balifunda bebayazi yabe khona okuningi osekwambuleka bafunda amavesi
people will continue to scam other people using the Bible Ndabukazana is a good example Theology for the past 24 years has been very suspicious of Paul's epistles. PhDs were given out. Money was spent in Christian Global Network. Kona wonke ubani ofuna ukwenza masters ngama epistles of Paul uyabazi ka belumbi laba abahlala ekhaya kodwa aba afforda baba nabathatha ama masters ama PhD bawenza serious Ndlovukazi since 2001 I am free you could just as long as une degree noma kuthiwe psychology to do a masters check ama epistles kwaze kwakhiwa ama PhD group in America and Britain they came with a conclusion which in the epistles Paul did not write all the epistles. In fact, the little epistles of Paul are
Paul.
That was not Paul. There is a scammer who went in and included that. Now, Tata Lolo Lwazige, uye in an evangelical church. I'm a gatekeepers, oh mama, ibona abazolwa now. Yeah.
Nazi izindaba zenanda 88.4 FM sikunika ulwazi neqiniso.
Right, bengithi nginikhumbuze nje intokazi mangabe ikhuluma ngalolu hlobo ukuthi umuntu ngabantu ngabonga nje ngabona eyiculela yena at some point fanele ke sike sibambe le ukuthi ngempela umuntu ungumuntu ngabantu and also we need to give credit where it's due sibancome nje abantu ngesikhathi sifanele sikwenze konke ingakho nathi sikhona kulolu hlelo sithi asilungiseni ngoba into besingayinaki nebesingazazi kodwa manje sekubiza ukuthi masizenze sizazi sizilungise right siyangena ke undaba enhle khona wakamiyeza khona uThabo wakasamboti ayibo Samboti sayilungisa lento sayilungi yabona nje ngiyalungisa ngipinde ngiyabhimba mina yabona kuba umuntu kunzima bafowethu Ngiyakubuyela kuSamboti Simbangothi alright asibuyeleni ke bafowethu indaba enhle ake siqale ke secela ukuthi uqale usichazele kancane monotheism and henotheism that's what you said right
monotheism Ndlovukazi abantu abakholelwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu yedwa monotheism ihenotheism ukholwa ukuthi ukhona yena kodwa kunabanye uNkulunkulu Yeah, it acknowledges the bigger God, but there are other gods. Though, okuyena worshipper ilo osimbiza ngokuthi ungophosi konke. Henotheism and monotheism.
Ukhona. Kodwa bakhona
abanye.
So you're saying the Christianity
is henotheistic.
Oh.
Yeah. The fact that you have God Father in heaven, and again, obuye athi relinquish a kingdom yakhe in heaven ezemhlabeni ezo appear in the form of a man. Abuye enqunywe nepipi yonke lento athandazwe abiyabhaqazwe nasesiphambanweni agwazwe ngomkhonto afe temporarily abiyabile phezulu. That's no longer monotheism. Can you believe? I'm trying to imagine it. I say ubaba umiyazi uvenene saphila kwazala uJesu emahlongwa ngakubo. Kwasekuthiwa njengedikoni akahamba ayolokhuza ayocircumcise uJesu. So lo Jesu uNkulunkulu. So you have induna uSteva who circumcised God at some stage. May God forgive me. Now that is not you cannot circumcise God bakwethu angikhathani nomngathini you know.
Okay, kanti nawe enandabente ukhuluma ngaleli labakhuluma ngayo yini ukuthi ena uJesu uNkulunkulu.
There is yabona if you listen to a Christian akafuna ukukhuluma leyo nto uyathi so wilaba abaphika uJesu.
Yeah.
Angeke athi let's discern it. Njengoba uyakhumbula ngonyaka angisakhumbula ngomnyaka lawa for the whole year you were using it in for a year.
Yeah.
Come let us reason.
Yes.
That was one of the most powerful year.
Yeah.
Because the attitude of abalandeli benanda FM ka asilungiseni iyaqala lapho ukushintsha mindset uthi okahle hlela akushiwo ukuthi lezinto ezisho babumbhele nobabumyeza noNdlovukazi sekunqamla juqu bathi sondelani sisabana ama workshop lapha ngasekitchen very successful ayegcwala because kwakunama knowledge seekers you know that I swear Ndlovukazi mase senza the same conference kogcwala ama argumenters nama debaters.
Yeah.
Assessments to chat GT to think and reason.
Those
people are not scholarly. They are chat GT soldiers.
Yeah.
And I can never trust to chat GT soldier man. What about scholarly knowledge? La uzozinqondo yakho discern ucabanga. Uzoloku busy ufundwa ifunzo chat GT. Uzolimala. So ngizama ukuthi ke Ndlovukazi we have an abundant thina la kwasilungiseni our scholarly injection, our scholarly research.
Yeah.
The truth of the matter, God is not Jesus and Jesus is not God. There are 99 verses in the Bible where Christ disputes which he's God.
True.
Yeah.
And you gave it to us.
Yeah, I did.
Hayi ngiyayibuzela ke manje ke yini lenzo ngoba manje legama la God nalo laba baliqamba nalabo balibiza mhlawumbe lo nesingisa ngazi but sengishela ukuthi bayalazi bona iunderstand bane understanding yalo bona balikhulumayo kanti thina kubhlungu masothu umdala
Ndlovukazi
masothu wavela kuqala
around the world
uyikho lokho ayikho
akekho umdali onegama
ne
once wamqamba igama it ceases to be God.
Ima cha nawe kuyangididida ke nawe ke manje masusho kanjani
ngicela ulandele njoba ngisho Ndlovukazi once waqamba umdali wezulu nomhlaba wamnika igama ceases to be God.
Ubaba umbhelo wayichaza kahle athi ithopho ingakho kuthiwa umveli inqangu nguye onguye
akanali
igama lakhe ngeke abe negama because ilimi njengoba zingaka ngafanele sisebenzise luphi ulimi egameni lakhe and you must remember one thing, you can't translate a name.
Yeah,
umapuli ngeke bathi ke uthi mase bekutshela ke ngesizulu usunomvula uthi umapula nje ngakuthi abo nguthabo ngeke ungitranslate uthi hayi ngoba ula iKZN sothi unjabulo ngoma ngifike eEngland bangishintshe nguhappy you just can't translate a name. So now umdali ke ngeke abe negama because kuzovayika igama lakhe libe linye manje amaZulu bese asikhulumi language yakayithi bampele ithope akuthiwa umveli ncangu so unguye umdali ubani those are attributes
yakuzwa
yabo so mayithi ke uDimbane once wamnikeza igama angithi yamuzwe eBhayibhelini wayibuza ubani uJacob wathi nguye
Umose
akubuye kwilanguage yakubo ke ngoba that's English ukuthi nguye ngoba wathi lo enicabanga ukuthi nguyena when she was asked yes lo nina nicabanga ukuthi
it makes sense as well
yeah no yeah wathi must be sifika kubantu sizothunga ubani wathi lo enicabanga ukuthi nguyena that's very profound yes
Abraham kabani ngiloyo ke mina
Thina manje ayikho ke lento yokuphikisana neyokubanga indaba yegama uNkulunkulu ukuthi manje enaka yena ubani so
akayena uNkulunkulu is human is human yes but umdalo wezulu nomhlaba ongaphezulu konke I higher power leyo yeah
no ake singene bafowethu singene kule weekning thabo mhlambe ngoba bese sike sathi uzinqomo kancane nondaba enhle mhlambe khona mhlambe ofisa ukusho nawo because itopic namhlanje asibize ngendlela ngazothini ngifuna sisho ngesizwe the impairment
izinto ezibulala ukholo ake ngivule kanje yeah thank you Thabo thank you Ndlovukazi asiqale ngama funerals nje vele sishaya isikhomba asiqale ngama funerals Ndlovukazi ayikho lento yokungcwaba usuku from 9 o'clock kuze kufike ngo5 kwenziwani lapho
ayifanele ngabenze kanjani
no asikho isidingo
senzani ngempela
ukuthunwa komuntu obungcwaba usuku ulahla isilwane uma nje ukungcwaba
yabo ngifuna kulo ngwabamba lamagama ngoba iwona lamagama esizwasebenzisa sengathi senza into right
umuntu akangcwatshwa isilwane singcwatshwayo ukungcwaba meaning to say uyalahla nje there'll be no identity
okay
meaning to say ngeke kube namakha lapho ngeke kube nento ezokhombisa ukuthi khona uyangcwaba
okay
yeah but umusu uthuna umba iliba ulembathise bese ubeka uphawu ukuze abantu bangagibeli phezukwalo bangahambi phezukwalo ngoba akuhlalwa phezukweliba engeke abona a very painful thing yenzeka la khona kwa TikTok omunye umama ubeke ingane phezukwaMaliba
kwakuthi ifanele ngokuba lapho leyo ngane
ku wrong ingane ayiye emalibeni umuntu wesifazane uyawahlonipha amaliba because umuntu wesifazane has a vaginal canal susceptible kuma spirits ayingozi and deadly
susceptible izivuleleki
yeah once what you bear children it becomes an open door to the temple of everything akufanele anqamule emalibeni yebo
manje sesima phezulu kwawo simakade silekelele Nkosi kugcwele
siqhubeka senza amahlazo bese siyawa defender ingane ke nje kwesa isondele emalibeni Ndlovukazi uma ake ngenze example let's say mina ukusasa ngamthola ngaphandle akazalo uMadlamini now bese kushona uma wakhe angikwazi ukuhamba ngiyothuna uma kakusasa ngibe ngishade noMadlamini so sekufanele mina ngicele uPinki uNkosi le umfowethu ukuthi bahambe baphelezele ukusasa ayothuna uma wabo uMadlamini ngamthola kade esembathe nenye indoda wazothola ingane akakwazi ukuphuma kamyeza ayothuna indoda akalala nayo usengifake kufeni phela yeah so kufanele sikhulume noNanazile sikhulume noNcane sikhulume noAunt Anacleta bese bephelezela ingane kaMadlamini kube yiyona njani eyo phelezela ukuthi kuyongcotshwa unina uyise wawo lapha
nakuba siyaya siswele ngane
nokuthi siyaya siphelezela ingane.
okay
Yeah.
asinje ukuthi ngeke ngamngcwaba
Exactly.
okay
Yeah, baningi into ongayazi Ndlovukazi, mina I'm a counselor. Thabo, you won't believe ukuthi I've got 3 couples ziyahlukana permanently because of that. Yeah. And it was support abantu bakodwa no, uma esebuya ungasamvumela. Akabe la kade eyozela khona, meaning to say in African cosmology, not Zulu culture, we African cosmology awukwazi ukuzilela indoda wendele kwenye indoda ngoba wathelwa ngenyongo.
Sebangazichelwe ke nje
Angithi ke when you ne covenant inyongo is a symbolic of a covenant. You know, so yeah, now take this to the church. Kwasha, this weakens the faith kanjani. Isonto lizothi no, with Christ everything is possible. Sisebenza ngegrace.
yeah umusa
indaba yomusa imoshile izinto eziningi
yeah
ukuthi vele kuhleke ukuthi uvela nikini ikhadi umuntu akasabona, meaning to say Ndlovukazi, i-abrogation of African culture undermined by the very same Christianity. In the process of doing that, it weakened is structured the fabric of Christianity. Angisho ngesizulu. Ukunyathela ezintweni ezisensitive njengalezi ehambisana nemoya kwaba wrong ukuthi iChristianity ingayi research ingayicubungulu even if you know kwa Christos nakho lokho, because that's a lie. That is a blue lie.
Umuntu omnyama yazi ukuthi hey ngezinto lezi zifanele mhlawumbe lo ngisho ngithrow izinto ngongizwa ngikhuluma ukuthi uma sengumKristu sekuphela uthi ngumZulu.
That's the thing ukuthi you have a cultural identity umZulu. I have a cultural identity ubupedi. Buphela kanjani as I enter the church? An ensemble of demons.
No, we need to do the topic. Kuningi ke kodwa fanele sithuphila nako manje. Kuvele kuphambanisa izinto.
Ndlovukazi, iqala lapho ke lento esibiza phecelezi ukuthi i-performative Christianity. Yini performative Christianity now? Ukuba umKristu by day and be yourself by night. Futhi awukho responsible for into ezenzeka kwa Christianity. So ukusonta ke define ukusonta ke. Ukusonta, this is where you twist the minds of the people by forcing them into doctrines and beliefs are linked to their own culture. Ke ngisho ngesizulu. Ukusonta ingqondo ukutwista. So usontisa abantu. Usontisa abantu. Uyobakhipha ebuboneni ekubeni bona ngokustripha i-identity yabo ukuze balandele izinkolelo namasiko wena njengomholi owafake ngaphambi alenkolo oyibiza ukuthi inkolo yobuKristu. Yalimala lapho ke iChristianity kwase kuba weak structure sayo, then causing ukuthi abantu ifaith yabo on Christianity ibe impaired. Today umukhuluma nomuntu yathi mina ngumKristu nje kodwa not that Christian, you understand thing abe ngichaza basebenzisa njalo ngumKristu hayi kodwa hayi lo mKristu lo yeah, that's performative Christianity. Uma ufuna ukunyazana igama ngathi cafeteria Christianity, you order what you like on the menu.
All right.
Yeah, the cafeteria Christianity. Yeah. So ngizama ukuthi we are setting kanjalo. Now into ezakalile Ndlovukazi since 2010 the establishment of usilungiseni. Now khumbula into yayo Ndlovukazi, the first rebellious station KZN that challenged the Christian status quo was Inanda FM.
Hayi qinisele.
Now, guys, this is not cheap praise. Go to the videos, go to YouTube, Asekona. A KZN Universally, the first station air challenge Christianity, Kwaba Inanda FM. And there was a pushback and the backlash on a Gazu.
Yo, talk about the backlash.
And we go Emel Sultan Sanzama conference.
Kodwa manje very detail ubani osisa endaweni la kufanele khona nje bakhulunywa indaba zo CRL no bani kufanele siswephi makunje sikhuluma manga yini because abantu they research.
That is why we have earned the right to investigate into njengalezo ngoba saqala bathe beqhamuka ezigiteshi ziattempta ezinye mazikumemile zithi ke ndabe ungayikhulumi lento ukuyikhulume kunandi ngaka invited abantu bengitshela amahlazo nabo bathi kodwa uphela ungakubeka nje ngathi soba nenkinga
iqinisa alifunakala ezweni
no alifunakala kubi alifunakala so ngizama ukuthi kaNdlovukazi we come from there now we're at a stage where le ingane bekujahe generation le generation ye enibizo ukuthi ama Gen Z they saw those videos akasilungiseni ababona othabo mubheka ama video ku YouTube I video I think 8,000 people mangacabanga sokucheck out lokho yila sinothabo sikhuluma about black people never worship amadlozi yeah hayi leyo
it's another eye opener
yabo leyo every sasithindwa abantu bangaphandle it brought a new brand of listeners even naseLimpopo wawukuthole eLimpopo o Dr. Bani ohlala sithumela o Dr. Lubisi nabo they added their voice u Dr. Mhlangani added their voice u Dr. Mandunda black people never if it's not in akufanele benegaba kuthiwa yilo hlobo lo religion ayinagama so akekho umuntu omnyama odumisa amadlozi asikaze sikwenza even ama ancestors that us what dumisa part uma ngizoze example Ndlovukazi wena igazi onalo lapho mhlambe it consists of 68,000 people or 72,000 people so you have got blood of your ancestry la ethangeni lakho ihima lene ephethe udemi womhlaba into okudlala unama ancestors amaningi so how do you deny into esegazini lakho how do you do that
disconnect handle
that's the thing.
We're going to talk about this siqhubeka something esilungisa lokho okwenza the church ibe weak uzuleke sasikhuluma amaKristu kuphela ke
nazi izindaba zenanda 88.4 FM sinika ulwazi neqiniso.
Okay sisakona umsakazi nanda 88.4 FM today's best radio sisindisiwe thina ushunjalo umbuso wakakhoza kuona lo msakazo right asike siqhubekeke nodaba lethu kuthiwa ena sikhuluma nge-faith impairment yes yini le weaknisha or yini le in manje namagama msengundaba ehlem yes ethambi
iqekele phansi inukubeze yeah
ama church amabandla
bese yenza ubungqeqe okholweni lakho
yeah alright konke obufuna ukuyisho before siwelele ku
ukuthi before ungidedele uthaba ukuthi big abazwana babe careful. Here it's not a demonization, it's an observation and a scholarly one for that matter.
Yeah.
Akangenza example. There is damning evidence ukuthi Paul akazange ayibhale lento ukuthi abantu sifana bangaye pulpit.
Oh, right?
Damning evidence. One, his style of language sika Paul is contradicted totally indlela lo muntu wabhala ngayo. He was not smart enough ukuthi afunde ilanguage ka Paul athi mase eshutheka le ncwadi yakhe ayishutheka ukuthi iblende wabanjwa umuntu onjani lo umuntu onenhliziyo embi onosathane owathi mebona incwadi ka Paul iflow iintegrity yayo wase decide ukuthi no uzoeda but kumina uPaul that's very karmic ngoba na uPaul wayescammer ngokwakhe yabo
bese kuzathi asenobhululu seniyazwala
uPaul was a scammer uPaul was a scammer and he was scammed by others
okay
but sesiyavumelana akuyona incwadi ka Paul ethi abantu sana bangame pulpit it's some naughty psychopaths owafaka le yancwadi.
Ngiyakuzwa.
That's very wrong.
Thanks for correcting that.
Yeah, abantu abeclear. But it has undermined umuntu osifazane kanzima kabi le nto.
Yeah. So it we say like telling yiyo yenye izinto le ethambisa lobu yamabani.
Same is Christianity, same is Islam. Islam ayikakazi isho lutho nge-enslavement of black people. Iyangikhalisa leyo nto. I would like to see the House of Saudi isukuma ethi noma iQatar kingdom in the Dubai kingdom ngebathi nje look, we are saying sorry kubantu abamnyama for enslaving them.
Yeah.
It was our ancestors were taking responsibility for our ancestors. Maybe it will do a lot of good.
Yeah.
Well, religion yabo ngiyayihlonipha ngifuna uqamba manga. Christianity is straightforward.
Christianity?
No, sorry. Islam is straightforward. Is Islam 67% sobriety? Okay. Almost a population of 70% are emptying to Jwala. As opposed to the drunkenness in a Christian world. Abeka abantu abadakwa njengamakrestu. Now, I guess session interest me engibona ne Islam ke manje is going to be that downfall. Uyabo into destroy Christianity keep isithunzi usagcina sesimpompa nje. I fornication. If fornication it destroy Christianity. And khona into strange kaMdlovukazi. Christianity will never recover from fornication.
Will never.
No, they won't. Yeah. Christianity ngenza noma yini ngisho singamemeza igama lika Jesu ngeke Christianity around the world recover from fornication. It could take 5,000. It could take a good 5,000 years.
Ne?
You say when you see a young woman on 20 amanye amantombazana no 15 emenzela ini reveal yemntwana
yeah
a 18-year-old child ana ndoda noba buyiphila ingane bese bemenzela reveal bamenzela ne baby shower. These are church going children and the abazali bay endorse bamcongratulate ngokuzala engashadile. But the same person.
Yeah, it's siphela ingane endabeni.
Nakia.
I think mayisikhona kubasho njalo.
That is impairing faith ngoba kusho kwa Christianity siyasenza izinto nje for the sake of doing, but I conviction ngaphakathi ayithi sure.
Yeah.
Number 2, enye into that is threatening to dismantle power Christianity mental health. By PE mental health bathi ngegazi lika Jesu.
Nakuma Judas khona thizeni.
Now amaJuda ne advantage eyodwa weNdlovukazi. A congregation yamaJuda would have close to 40 adherents psychologists. People who write books on psychology. Ngaphakathi. Or professor be psychology ngaphakathi.
People read, they are encouraged to read.
So urabbi makufike ama parents athi counseling uvene athi okay, go to Professor Rabo Havos, he'll help you out free of charge.
Okay, ngicela unibuza nobabili Thabo sazongena ukuthi yini le dala ukuthi kube nenkolo yamaYuda bese kuhlukana ne Christianity ekhonza uJesu uNkulunkulu.
That is doctrinal more than anything.
Doctor uthini labena angithi yabona uJesu yini uzalelwe kunenkolo yamaJuda but amaKristu angavumelani nayo lenkolo le kodwa banomuntu abamlandelayo.
Confusion. Ake siqale, Jesus was a Jew. He was a prophesying Jew. He studied the Torah.
Okay,
why for the Torah? Why a practicer? Okay, Dovgas, here's the deal. Shukhut. Njengamanje nizothola amaJuda kaIsrael ahamba aphethe inkukhu. lenkuku uyaguqa bese beyithi kanje ba recite prayer le liqhude nemsikhuka senzani sithatha kuwena izono zakho
Majuda Majuda
yeah si absorb izono zakho kushuthi ubumnyama amashwa bakho sebuselekephi eqhudeni so leli qhude ngeke lilashwe lizonikeza abantu abampofu ukuthi badle but they are non-Jewish.
Ngeke confusion mhlambe kuyafanele kufike egcineni enasiyeke le ndaba egama lika Jesu
Ndlovukazi
simfani noYeshua kuyo yonke lemizi
oqala nje amaJuda awakholelwa kuJesu amaKristu akhonza amaJuda
Jesus
nawe ke wazana yeye
akhonza amaJuda ngoba even manje wathola ethi support Israel against Gaza because athi iBhayibheli lathi what indaba zamaJuda so kunamaKristu confused but ngeke ngiwabopheke ngabhandelini ngoba iChristianity njengoba sishilo ukuthi inhlaka nombani udonsa bhekele omunye adonsa bhekele noma ushinto avumelana nayo so bangase ngithi nje
emlungelayo
iChristianity ilokhu kahle angikwazi ukuyipinpoint ukuthi uyini but sibuyele back to topic ngiyabona kuyoze kushawa 11
kuyoze kushawa 11 ungangiphendulile
hayi ngifuna ngiyisengiphendulile amaKristu akhonza amaJuda amanye awo as a nation
okay
ayawakhonza that is why ehambe yo support uIsrael ngoba asupporter uIsrael ngoba athi iBhayibheli lithi the Israelites are the chosen people failing to understand ukuthi aye chosen nini njoba lesa state siqale ngo1948 before 1948 babethini angazi
and Kenya is one of those countries.
Kenya
Kenya baphethe ama flag kwa Israel, they support Israel.
So nje into enjalo nje indaba yabo
njalo nje
into enjalo edidekile ongathi mayiqala nje lokho yabona mayikhuluma uzodraya kanje ubuye uzofika la ubuqale khona
yabona wethabo nje ngithi hayi kodwa ngiyawulete ngibuza kodwa khona esalayo ngoba bayinoYeshua la sino Jesu la manje lo Jesu hayi Jesu wakhiwe igama lakhe
ubona uduka ngemoto utry so nkosikazi lokho ekhuluma hawu sengilapha engiqale khona ukuthi happy nathi nkosikazi 10 left 10 right ubuzo ubuyela ukuthi
kodwa uyibona into isigange awuma
njalo ke le manje ngibona kazi
ibalekele lethe
ngoba nizosibuyisela nje la siqale khona ekugcineni
hey ungazibalekele
no iChristianity uMateyu 5:14 ngeke ngithanda ukufunda incwadi ngoba sikhuluma kakhulu nabantu njengoba sikhuluma ngefaith and the church sikhuluma abantu abaphatha iBhayibheli kakhulu la whether amaNazaretha kodwa mawuphatha iBhayibheli uyangena la uMateyu 5:14 khona lencwadi le lathi khona uYeshua nina niukhanya kwezwe umuzi owakhiwe entabeni awunakusithela iChristianity kahle into enjalo kwakufanele kube yiyona elidayo ngama morals iyona ezokhanyisela umhlaba ukuthi uthi uNkulunkulu ufuna abantu bakhe bayiphathe kanje nayi indlela yokuyiphatha umKristu na ibuzothola iChristianity si morally corrupt ila izoba wiki khona ngoba kufanele kube yiyona ehamba phambili ngama morals ifundisa abantu ukuyiphatha ababusi ukuyiphatha ikwazi ukulimela iqiniso even if ugovernment ekhuluma into wrong ikwazi ukusukuma iChristianity not in our name ngishilo last week athi abantu ibona abaphethe majority yabantu abafundisi uma behlangene banamandla amaningi kakhulu ukukwazi ukuthi no sizotshela abantu bethu banganivoteni uma nina nisaqhubeka nokuthi yabo so banamandla but lamandla abo bavumile ukuthi babe inhlaka kanje iChristianity eSouth Africa ayinayo into ekwazi ukuma ngayo ukuthi nayi code of conduct yayo esikhulumile last week sesiyakhuluma ngo section 22 committee ukuthi kunento esiqalwe uCRL wakhetha ama leaders of the faith ukuthi awenze i-code of conduct yawo ezoyisubmit government bese iyakwazi ukuthi ibe umthetho lesimisikhothwa ke manje esimisikhothwa manje but la ngikhona iyo le ilokhuze emamorals ama Christ even before yazi ngiyakhumbula ngisekhaya ngakhumbula incwadi yamendala yabo le ethi they are burning churches le ncwadi moyifunda ikhuluma ngokubaleka kwesonto the churches ukuthi the churches ayebaleke kanjani even nangesikhathi apartheid abantu bebethi mabe angesi
nomsafuna ba otheka nokusicela ubolencane
incwadi ukuthi abantu noma bebaleka or kwenzakalani bebehamba beyocasha emasontweni abafundisi bebaphambili isikhathini esiningi ukukhuluma ngeindaba zamamorals ku government ukuthi apartheid wrong nala icindezela abantu bekwamasonto phambili not professionals ifundiswa not businessmen or what bekuba amasonto the churches abafundisi abantu abebelwela abantu aba downtrodden abantu abacindezelwe bekuba yibona abaphikisana no government. Now it's funny ke namhlanje mawuzothola ukuthi makuthiwa kuqhamuka into ngiphuthuma kule ka section 22 ethi bafundisi sinenkinga la kusho CRL ngoba usehla mina ngiqala ukusebenza no CRL cishe ngo2018 so le ndaba yanje obungibona namanje futhi bekwazile nami ukuthi ngimenyo ngibe khona kule nto ngoba kuthiwa senginesikhathi ngisebenza nawo so athi CRL sesihlala ama hearings amaningi sithi sifica umfundisi adlisa abantu utshana aphuzisa abantu opetrol kuningi nokunye athi umfundisi no iBhayibheli lithi uPetru kwehla isitsha sasigcwele yonke into enwabzelayo hayi futhi abasho ukuthi kwasho uPetru bathi iBhayibheli lithi oya kwasho njalo kwehla isitsha babe quote lapha ya be defender lento yabo ukudlisa abantu utshani nenyoka kwathiwa hlaba udle Petru so ukudla noma abantu bangadlani ngoba nakulesa sitsha kwakugcwele izinto ezinwabuzelayo this and that kwathi uPetru akahlabe lezo zinto so kusho iBhayibheli so madlisa abantu ke thina we are taking it from the Bible what is there ke usehlele wonke lama hearing maningi ulalela insumansumane exoxa abantu abathi babafundisi sithi anisizeni ke wema religious leaders usebiza zonke inkolo uyile kumaJuda kumaMuslim nana uyayibona istructure ikhona kuma Muslims ikhona kumaJuda ikhona but ngala ku Christianity awuyikho uke wayikhuluma uDimbane lento of wazi wathi kuma Muslims khona iMuslim Judicial Council kukhona ihalal board le edila nokudla kwabo ukhona ina kune ba well organized kuma Juda you find the same thing ba nama board abo athi lamelene nento it could be finance it could be diet it could be laws imithetho yini banazo lezo zinto ngisho ngaye emabhunwini la amaKristu even bona uzobathola lapha under Afriforum banento zabo ezimela mama cha masithi sibheka kakhulu ngala kubantu abamnyama i-Christianity inhlakanhlaka kakhulu noma ufika ukukhuluma into ayithandayo which weakens the faith which uma lento ngiyibuka angisale sengiqeda le ngoba izolahleka kwase kwakhiwa lento ekuthiwa section 22 ngingakalokhuzi ngingakadluli mhlawumbe abantu bayadideka lokuthiwa section 22 ake ngifunda section 22 weConstitution yase South Africa ukuthi uthini uthi section 22 weConstitution yase South Africa section 22 of the Constitution guarantees every citizen has the right to choose their trade, occupation or profession freely. However, this right is not absolute and can be regulated by law. Freedom to choose. All citizens have the right to choose any trade, occupation or profession they wish. Regulation. The practice of any trade, occupation or profession can be regulated by the law. This means that the government can pass law to set standards or limitations on certain professions to protect the public interest.
Asibambe lapho ke section 22. I wonder ukuthi abantu sebeke bawufunda yini.
Yeah.
Ngifuna sela.
Inanda 88.4 FM. When we return, more of the music you love.
All right, you brought me back to life. Aretha Franklin, umsakazi Nanda 88.4 FM. Today's best radio. Aha. Asisikhalisa abantu. Bayalila. Ashonga ukuthi oba uthi njani manje ukhipha ifihlo yakhe.
Uthi kasheni makholo. Hey.
Mabe ngasamuzwa.
Bangatitheki. All right, suppose I see.
Yes, ayisibonge Ndlovukazi. Yes, sibuyele lapha ku section 22. Uthi ke umhlali wase South Africa unelungelo lokuyikhethela umsebenzi legal trade, occupation or profession they wish. But it is limitations. The right is not absolute and can be limited by law. So ukuthi ke lokho kukhethile kodwa vele khambisana neconstitution nomthetho wase South Africa. Awukwazi ukuvele nje uhlathuze nje uthi hayi mina ngenza ukuthi ngothi uma kuphambana neconstitution leyo nto ayikho emthethweni. Ngiyazi kahle mina leyo nto uzokhumbula Ndlovukazi ukuthi njengoba ngithi sisebenze kakhulu ne-CRL besibopha uthisha ngoba kunale nto leyo ukuthi sibabophela ukuthi bagundise ingane zamaNazaretha bangagcina ukuthi bathi ayigunde bayishemule bona personal uthisha thatha isikela ayishemule simthathe simjikele ku-CRL simjikele kwi-board yothisha i-SACE simthathe ukuthi simjikele emaphoyiseni simbophe nge-common assault. So yabo ngobani isikole sifike senze i-code of conduct, school code of conduct. Bese beqhamuka bekumele uthisha but no isikole sine code of conduct yaso kunomthetho olawula isikole. So lo mthetho lo uma umfundi engawulandeli sinomthetho kumisa. But if i code of conduct yesikole iphambana ne-constitution yase South Africa, leyo clause ekwi code of conduct is null and void. Ayisebenzi ngoba i-constitution ngoba i-constitution yayiphikisa. Iphikisa ngani i-constitution? Ngo section 15 we-constitution wase South Africa. Othi into section 15, freedom of belief and opinion. Every person has a right to freedom of conscience, religion, thought, belief and opinion. Yabo mawuthi ke umhlali wonke wase South Africa unelungelo lenkolo. So ma une enkolweni yakho unelungelo, but kuleyo nkolo yakho ayingabi khona into ephambana nomthetho wase South Africa ngoba leyo nto leyo esenkolweni yakho uma ike yaphambana nomthetho wase South Africa wena ke kuthi izo overrule i-constitution yase South Africa. So fanele kuyazi imithetho yase South Africa isebenza kanjani.
Ngisho ngathi wena kuqhutshwa kanje kodwa mayiphambana no South Africa
make yaphambana ne-constitution leyo nto yakhe it's null and void ayisebenzi. So uzokwazi ukuthi ke ubopheke noma ivaleke into yakho ukuthi no because lento yakho it's unconstitutional iyavala. Now sibuyele ke to the topic of hand at hand le yenkolo nalento ke nje mhla ka 8 this was it Wednesday Thursday kade bemasha ke laba bathi bayi identify and Save South Africa. Our Defenders of the Church, it's a lobby group. Engizwe mangilalela indaba khona ngisho iAmerican lapha beliphawula. Akuthi hayi American lezo phawula ngendaba ye section 22 committee. Now ngithe uthi uMateyu 5:15 uMateyu 14 iliphi lencwadi engifunda kaMateyu ithi nina nikukhanya kwenza umuzi owakhe entabeni awunakusithela. uMateyu 5:14. Now isonto nalencwadi le kade nginika neDiabenic Church ikhuluma ngamandla esonto. If isonto ngempela the Christian Church limile ngama morals nanani liyakwazi ukukhanda umphakathi ubuyele ube sesimweni ngendlela ekuyiyona. Now laba bamashayo it's a lobby group. Ama lobby group ayingozi abantu abazi ukuthi yini ama lobby group. Uzolandela abantu abamasha le hayi awenza ama Christians omasha bayalandela abantu bayamasha abazi ukuthi this is a lobby group. It's called Defenders of the Church nje lento nje ayihlanganisela ukuthi igebengu ezinye zilaphakathi ngoba azifuni ibandla lilawulwe ngendlela ehambisana neconstitution. Kufanele libe inhlakanhlaka because they benefit if ibandla liyinhlakanhlaka nabantu benje. Izitha ze South Africa futhi azifuni ukuthi ngoba njengamanje yabona iSouth Africa ila izitha zethu ezifuna zibe khona. We are a nation of drunkards, drug abusers. Ama South Africans azi ukudansa nje weekend to weekend yazi wathi omunye umfana wase Mozambique kumele hey ama South Africans asa celebrate 1994 namanje adansa every day weekend adansa nje awazi ukuthi abantu ba celebrate ani kube ezweni kuhlushwa kanje kuphela imisebenzi but nongasebenza umthola ngeweekend uyadansa nje uya celebrate yabo ozalwe after 94 uzalwe abazali bakhe be celebrate na wakhula wajoina lapho uya celebrate nje siya celebrate. So asibona abantu abahlalayo bacabange izinto ezosiphilisa. We spend most time with entertainment. Now uma ke sekuqhamuka into ethi ithi CRL ibiza abaholi beyinkolo ozana sinenkinga la njoba ngike ngachaza. Ake nakho code of conduct talento yenu ni formalize kahle ukuze kuzoba neunderstanding ukuthi kahle yini Christianity.
Sure.
Yabo nisichazele uze uma kuqhamuka indoda la isidlisa abantu ngathi asazi lutho basho njalo sibona abafundisi thina umuntu uvela azivulela iBhayibheli athi hayi iBhayibheli lithi abantu bangadla noma yini. Yabo even nalapho ukuthi wayexopha iCRL ngoba kuba iCRL ayinomuntu olazi iBhayibheli lapho zasomphikisa nje no lento kaPetro 10 akuyona lento ishoyo ngoba sehle isitsha sathi Petro hlaba udle bathi uPetro akahlabanga and akadlanga lutho kuleso sitsha. So which means uPetro wayiwazi umthetho ukuthi no ayidliwa lento leyanto kwayingumbono and ichaza enye into. It was a vision. Manje wena udlisa abantu
uchaza nalento
wena udlisa abantu literally but uPetro wayiphupha. uPetro kwakuyiphupho so ngeke wena uthathe iphupho lomuntu bese uzolenza literally engazi ukuthi uthwele ngoba manje baqhamuka bathi iBhayibheli lithi bangasho ukuthi no uNkulunkulu eBhayibhelini uthi. Let me make an example. Kunemthetho ebekiwe kwiOld Testament la ethi khona umuntu mayipholisa abathi akabulawe umuntu ophingile akabulawe but eSouth Africa angithi ngiyichazile lento ukuthi kune constitution. Constitution yase South Africa ayivuma ukuthi ukhanda umuntu ngamatshe umbulala. Ayivuma. So noma iBhayibheli lingasho lithi ubani akakhanda ngamatshe but iconstitution ngalama ithi ngeke kuze umkhanda umuntu ngamatshe. Ngeke ukuthi wena lithi iBhayibheli angikhanda umuntu ngamatshe.
Ngiyakuzwa
iconstitution izokubopha futhi uzoboshwa ngoba manje uphikisa umthetho ayiqali ke leyo nto eSouth Africa. Ubona uJesu kubanje unkosikazi uphingiwe bamthatha amaJuda amisa kuyena athi ke nange simbambe efikile wathi uMose yes wathi uMose umuntu owenze nje akakhandwe ngamatshe wena uthini uJesu bagcina bengamkhandanga ngamatshe because at that time ezweni lamaJuda kwakuphethe amaRoma neconstitution yawo ephikisa ukuthi nina amaJuda senizovele nizibulalele nje abantu willy-nilly ngoba nithi inkolo yenu ithi so anikwazi bakoloza ukhokhi tax bayakuyena why but nangu lana kuthiwa asikhokhi tax wena kuthiwa uMessiah wena uzosikhulula asenze njani uJesu ukhipha imali uyabakhombisa ukuthi ubaleli ikhandela bajubani usiza usiza uthi ke uJesu ke uKesari angana lento babe translate kanjani igama elithi Caesar in English ezulwini Kesari
awuhlezi futhi
ungathi wasiza ezulwini kuthiwa Kesari kodwa hala kuthiwa Caesar
no
uthi-ke uJesu bathi ikhanda likaKesari uthi-ke nikani uKesari kaKesari nini kuNkulunkulu kaNkulunkulu uyabona uJesu wenze njani akaphambani nomthetho wezwe at that time kuphethe amaRoma ezweni so angeke akaphikisane nomthetho wamaRoma
akasho ngakho
akasho
ngacomplain kangakanani
noma ngiyacomplain kodwa umthetho wezwe uthi
hayi Thabo unoshumayela ekseni kanjena
hlalani ke emthethweni yes uthi hlalani ke emthethweni ke wezwe ningawuphuli umthetho wezwe now it's a pity ke mawuthola igroup yabafundisi ethi hey thina ngeke sitshelwe uhulumeni
hayi bo
angantshela kanjani uhulumeni ngoba yabona nje okokuqala ningabi nama license okudriver because kusho uhulumeni uthi ukuze udriver kufanele kube ne license ningacomply kulutho phela sinibone ukuthi nizophila kanjani ngoba nina nithi aniphili ngaphansi komthetho so do not comply nama laws yini laba abangafuni ukucomply kuyona number 2 lo section 22 ayishonga iCRL ukuthi iyona ezokwenza iCode of Conduct isa udaba kubaholi benkolo ithi nina yakheni lento
yenzeni nina lento
aningayibuyisi futhi nilethe kuthina nihambe niyoyisubmit eParliament mase niqedile nibuye thina uma la kukhona la nifisa sinisize khona you can consult with us. That is what the launch on the 2nd of October was about. Uthi CRL ithi sengiyayithatha ke lento sengiyishiye ezandleni zenu ke nina ke baholi benkolo ka section 22. But abantu ngendlela abamistidwe ngayo even abafundisi abaningi abayona iphatha lento ngoba khona abavele basukuma nje bathi
ngeke phela umuntu akhuluma yazi into eviral ile ethi umama uXaluva uthe akekho umuntu okhuluma noNkulunkulu
yes wakusho lokho ekusho ngalama case akhe bathatha le section 20 hayi nganje bathe
phela iqubuka manje
amaclip akamada le even ngabe ukushilo lokho ucoacher yabona khona lento leyo ukuthi mawukhuluma mase bezodlala amaclip akho badlalele uclip abafuna ukudlala noma ngabe ukushela you have to get the context of the whole story ukuthi ubeza kusho lokho kususela lapho mamXaluva yabo bese yachaza ukuthi no ngikususela kulabantu abafika lapha esithi mase sibabizile kwi-commission bese ethi kumina no mina ngitshela uNkulunkulu ngabasho njalo
athi uNkulunkulu uthi
athi mina ngeke ungitshele wena mina ngitshela uNkulunkulu basho njalo phela how
so leso si
umthetho la eSouth Africa uthi athi no ngeke ungitshele God said to me mina ngenza ukuthi so ngeke uzungitshela na lento ke le othola ukuthi ke njoba sithi kungena abafundisi nabangaphandle noma bafike bavula amasonto oPushiris babunile abanye osihle sibisi ended up in Nigeria because uTB Joshua had a feeding church la eSouth Africa osihle sibisi bangene esonto lase Nigeria ebengeyona iskoweni le ka TB Joshua but leli sonto li recruit abantu la then feeds them to TB Joshua le eNigeria bahamba kanjalo baze ba end up eNigeria ngoba basuswe la bathi hayi ke senyiswa ebandleni lethe elikhulu ngale bayafika ngale abasakwazi ukuphinde emuva sebejamile so human trafficking yenzeka na true amasonto ezigebengu kukhona ne human trafficking yenzeka ithi ngize how do we keep all this sikontrole ingenzeki lento ngoba nansi ikhona inkinga now if uba wena uphila ngehuman trafficking vele uzola ukuthi no hey sebezovala imali yami labantu laba ngalento le abantu bazoyenza yabo so bese ungabatshela abantu iqiniso ukuthi no lento le isima kanje kuzo regulatewa kahle kwenziwe iCode of Conduct ukuthi amabandla wayiphathe kanje na uma ike yenzeka leyo nto angathi sesibuyele emuva ke manje ama morals ayabuya akuseyona lento nje ukuthi isonto selivele nje la intazela nje le yabo nje badesha utimbani Islam alcohol noma bahlukene noma ngisho ukuthi nabo banama faction kuIslam khona amasuni
amatablighi
baningi basho kodwa bamngento eyodwa ukuthi utshwala uma uyimuslim aphuzu even ngathiwa udlala isport simbonile Hashim Amla edlala kwicricket wayengayifaki ijersey lecricket ene logo yotshwala iteam yonke bifaka ukhasele nobengawufaki because I'm a Muslim so kufanele wazi ukuthi iChristianity imiphi amaKristu azazi ukuthi imiphi lokho iChristianity ayihambisani nakho lokho hayi siyavumelana la intiksha asikhulumi ke kodwa ngama doctrines isikhathi esiningi njoba sihlangene kwi section 22 kodwa sikhuluma ngokuyiphatha kumuntu ongumKristu or iChristianity as a faith ukhumbula ukuthi namaNazaretha angene under iumbrella le yamaChristian kodwa amaNazaretha wawona amaKristu but siphatha iBhayibheli elilodwa so asikho isidingo sokuthi usihlukanise ngoba sobabili sifunda iBhayibheli
and that's faith based phela
it's faith based amaKristu afunda iBhayibheli nathi sifunda iBhayibheli so we quote iBhayibheli so sizokwazi ukuthi mase sihlangene ke bese sibonisana sisonke la endlini ukuthi no lento ayikho right because iBhayibheli lithi sizokwazi ukuyidiscussa kahle sase singena kanjani ube sasahambanye abantu nathi zasolwa anikwazi ukufaka ngaphansi kwamaKristu thina samaNazaretha thina siyimele okokuqala amaKristu this and this no but you have to reason kusho wona ndlokwane let's reason
yeah
so kufanele ukuthi makubizwa into enje usondele uyilalelisise ukuthi kuthiwa fortunately ungahamba lapho ku asilungiseni Facebook page umuntu ongathi ngiyipostile ispeech sikamama uXaluva umama uThoko Mkhwanazi Xaluva uchairperson weCRL echaza lento skathi kulonjwa isection 22 abantu ngithi mina awubuke le speech umlalele kahle uma Mxaluva masuqeda ukumlalula then comment usungacomment amasumlalelile ukuthi yena uthini uhamba ulalela bonke abantu abakhuluma ngaphandle uyeka ukulalela lo muntu ekuthiwa uthe
yeah I think indaba enhle ena as uThabo has explained ukuthi into that is weakening the church ilento yokukhuluma into asiyazi ne
ukufunda iBhayibheli that's number 1 number 2 ukungabi ukusaba history ye Christianity the moment umuntu ekhuluma nga history Christianity uba nervous throughout akulaleleke sekhona abaze baqale manje baba ama liars of God you see Christianity did not start in Africa let's get this thing off Christianity did not start in Africa ake ngiphinde futhi Christianity Christianity yaqala eRome
sure
it so happened ukuthi yafika ku-Aksum uba inkosi yase-Ethiopia but akusho ukuthi therefore yaqala e-Africa you know that then uyena owaqala wa-accept nakhona history is now coming very interesting ukuthi he was under duress ukuthi accept Christianity sitshelwa ubani sitshelwa ilama Ethiopians ala eSouth Africa ngendaba kalokhuza inkosi yawo ngiyapi la ngiyakhona asiyeke ukufaka izinto ezingekho ekholweni ngoba sizama ukwenza njani ukushuka coat inkolo yethu number 4 Ndlovukazi young people are deconstructing from Christianity deconstructing babuza imbuzo they're examining they're asking questions why are they doing that it's because bayabona ukuthi khona into engahlangani la number 4 you can't be a Christian at the same time ulandele imikhuba ake ngiphinde futhi you can't be a Christian kodwa futhi ube ne-adherence emkhubeni imkhuba vele compromise i-integrity ne-value ye-culture yakho now njengamanje ake sibheke inkolo zobuKristu ekhona bese siyabheka ukuthi which one is surviving Asiqale ngebig one. I-pay as you pray siyancipha. I-pay as you pray Christianity isiyahlukana. Yeah. Ngani abantu sebebonye ukuthi baskemwe kanjani nge-pay as you pray Christianity. Faka imali uJesu uzokulethela ama blessings. It has enriched. Yeah. Bese kuba khona
abafundisi bakhona sebephenduka izangoma.
Yeah. Bese kuba khona iBenin Christianity. iBenin Christianity has gained traction kakhulu. iBenin Christianity ilaba bahamba bayothwala eBenin.
Oh.
Yeah. No, gain traction. Do you know what kwenziwa njani lapha koNdlovukazi? Kuye emathuneni. Ithuna lomuntu kukhishwe ingqumbi lengaphezulu. Ubekwe phezulu kwakhona bese busela ingqumbi uvele ngekhanda. Bazokushaya lapho bahamba olanda emva kwensuku ezithile.
Uthwala.
Yeah, bayathwala.
Thwala ukwenzekeni usushiwe lapho.
Mase ubuya kubusa ungcwaba ingulube ngasemnyango welokhozi. La ngena khona abantu akuyona ritual yodwa baningi ama ritual abawenzayo. Another ritual
ukuthi khala.
Yeah, amanye ama ritual ukuthi ulale nabantu besifazane ngaphakathi esontweni, which by the way destroys the fabric of faith la. Bese kuba khona secular, Lutheran, Catholic, Seventh-day Adventist, Jehovah's Witness and them. Then bese kuba ke khona ke African traditional Christianity. And wonke le Christianity is just not the same thing.
All right, sizobuya ke sikhulume kahle le bese sidedela wena ke because ngicela ukuthi ube ready nedatha lakho sixoxe. Come, let's reason together silungise.
Nazi izindaba zenanda 88.
Umsakazo Inanda 88.4 FM, today's best radio. Sithi ke asilungiseni sekuyihora leli ke la esithi sidedela wena because siyabona nabanye bathumelelile lapha ku WhatsApp nawe ngokunjalo ungenza efanayo bese ke sikwazi ukuxoxisana sithi come let's reason together ake sihlahleleni le sikhulume nanokuthi ke futhi okuningi ke namhlanje I think it was more of the information sharing because ezinye izinto esikhulume ngazo la mina mhlawumbe ke ngisho njalo ngiyithethe kanjalo ngikwazi wena ukuthi uyibambe kanjani but it's more of an information bekufanele sibe nayo siyazi then we take it from there because sifisa ukuthi kulungiseke siyalungisa kanye nawe kuona lo msakazi Nanda 88.4 FM mhlawumbe ngikumbuze mangabe ukuthi usukhohliwe inamba 068 764 9969 068 764 9969. Yes, sibonge ke ake sizwe laqala nangumuntu oke wa senda kuqala kunabo bonke sizwe ukuthi uthini ayibo umzamo kade samgcina mzamo sikwaca buleni
angibingelele weFelicia nawe Msizi angibingelele Ndlovukazi nakuwe babundabehle nakuwe Mfowasa Mbothi hayi ngiyasiza isihloko kodwa benikhuluma ngalo ngilalele nje koze kushaya isikhathi sika 12 angibonge danke
Sikwaco kade ngagcina mhloba ngiyajabula ukuthi
kade ngithi ngizazosho ukuthi nawe usigwaqena sekuseni ngimzwile kuFelicia namanje sihamba
bekuvula isiri
beyithandela uFelicia
no bekwe yenye mina ngidlale ebekwe
yasekuseni ngale yasekuseni
bengabonanga kanti iyeze yakukuthola ngicela ukubuza baba Miyeza ukuthi yena uma ilunga lomndeni wakhe lihlabile lenze umsebenzi la mumema uyayini uyasikhipha yini isipheko ndabeni
ngiyasikhipha semali ngiyasikhipha semali Ndlovukazi
yeah uyayini bubutheni what brings up the question
ngenaphi le wena utheni
uthini sakubona
I think ufuna ukubona ukuthi ilami ngicabanga nje Thabo ufuna ukubona ukuthi izinto that imkhuba ngiyayisupport and bazenzo ma members of family yeah ngicabanga kanjalo yabo
ukuthula mina ngokwami ngingathi it's great mainly because there's a lot of people who use the Bible in Christianity ukuthi bagcine sebenza inzuzo abaphanda ngayo. Number 2, Christianity is one of the biggest in the world when it comes to religion, and alikho elinye inkolo inama breakaway churches njengayo yabongozo noma umuwe nje Christianity zewule maningi amasonto eChristianity maningi futhi nama Christians yabo and nabanye also mose kodwa uthi abawona ama Christians kodwa mose uthula ubalalelo uyabona ukuthi no these people baphuma la ka Christianity or this certain type of Christians yabo singabala wena kuba sindisiwe wena bubani wona ubani yabo. So I think naleyo nto yokuthi it's not regulated iba na umthelela yokuthi kugcina sekunje yabo. If it's regulated ingabe somehow kunakho ukuqoqeka nokunderstandeka cause okunye futhi kugcina sebelwa wodwa lona ukhomba lona lonxeka lo yabo cause lo ufuna ubangcono kunalo but in the end we are all Christians.
All right, sizweke nomunye umkhozi Skills, thank you so much. Okay,
uPrincelo Skills kakhulu futhi
yeah
and lokuze ngiyasaba le lokhu kuthiwa should be regulated by who? Ngoba actually walento ukuthi isonto regulate kuthiwa like code of conduct vele ikona iconstitution
ngiyakuzwa code of conduct.
So manje ngendlela esukiloko ibekwa ngale lento ngazi ukuthi kuthiwa hayi laba bathi ibona bazositshela ukuthi inkolo yethu ayenze njani cha
ayihambi kanjani we are regulating
i code of conduct lefunakalayo.
Okay, ngiyatry la usibone ukuthi onako
so bone tishani come no kingwaya ngikhubezekiya ngiyacuya kade kine ubito ukuthi ngize Tanda FM ngiyacela ikhakhadi lenu ngithiwayena.
All right, bakhona umuntu ohleli naye esizocela ukuthi silekelele ngokuthi usilethele umculo wakho. Qala lapho silethele umculo wakho la ekhaya umculo uyalethwa kunabantu ba playlist kunosithabiso kunothulane Zondi ebese bazolalela babona ukuthi kehambisana nokho konke okomsakazo and thereafter ba playlist mangabe khamisana nayo imigudu nemgomo yestation umsakazo bese kuyabizwa for an interview qala playlist udlalwe kanjalo. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ke bazolekelela kakhulu nawe ke kodwa 031-510-9700 031-510-9700 inamba yale msakazweni.
Ngiyabingelela kuwena Ndlovukazi kanye nabahlonishwa bami uMyeza noSambuthi. Uyazi uma nikhuluma ngendaba kaleli igama leli kade lalengikhathaza empilweni yami elithi uNkulunkulu. Kodwa ngize ngagcina ngilihlaziyile mina ngendlela yami ngokubuka nokulalela abantu abakholwayo ezinkolweni ezithile nasemabandleni athile bebiza abefundisi noma omongameli noma abaholi babo ngoNkulunkulu babo. Kwaze kwagcina kufikile kumina engqondweni ukuthi leli gama leli alisho umdali lo owadala thina wadala nemvelo kepha lisho uLord lo Lord lo umuthi usenkantolo ekuthiwa biza imagistrate ngo my lord my lord kusho ukuthi umuntu omkhulu noma ongumholi wakho noma ongumphathi wakho lelo gama elithi uNkulunkulu umukhumbula alikaze libe khona esintwini noma nje kuthina singamaZulu alisona isiZulu ngangize ngilibize ngesifanakalo mina ngithi hayi isifanakalo lesi kusho ukuthi vesi abelumbi babelakhe ngenhloso yokuthi silisebenzise ngoba salinikwa yibona ukuthi silisebenzise uma silisebenzisa vese siqonde ngqo kuleli igama lokuthi uNkulunkulu wami my lord not my creator kodwa sisebenzisa sibiza umuntu ukuthi ungumholi wami ungumphathi wami ungomkhulu kumina ngagcina ngihlaziye kanjalo alekho okunye futhi engizokucela nje sengiphetha ngizocela kunina abahlonishwa Sambothi nawe baba uMyeza leli gama lamaJuda namaJews ngicabanga ukuthi ake silihlukaniseni mina ngolwazi enginalo amaJews are from Europe abelungu abelumbu straight amaJuda are from North Africa lapha kaIsrael isizwe samaJuda leso ngicabanga ukuthi lelo gama fanele siwahlukanise ngempela ngoba manje oNetanyahu amaJews lawo babeqhamuke eEurope bezodla lapha eNorth Africa izwe la kaIsrael engase niyicacisa ngazi kodwa noma lami nginolwazi oluyilona lona yini kodwa ngokuqonda kwami nokuthola kwami into eme kanjalo ngiyabonga uMagwaza eMlazi
yo siyabonga Magwaza
Ndlovukazi wakwayichaza baba uMpela uThabo khona usuku la akadlula kulento ingesikhathi Thabo ulethe incwadi kaQola ethi the 12th tribe yeah, I remember la uThabo echaza khona the difference 13 tribe yes la uchaza khona the difference between Judeans and the Jews ukuthi laba ingane ka King Bulan lezi they were penis worshippers at some stage. Then they found themselves in Israel. There's a story, of course, in telling a school, but this is not the time today. La Ethiopia and the peninsula, Uziyongena nje kancane eSudan, you had the Judean tribes. Na bonjala ukuthi ba into eyodwa. The Judean tribes.
Yeah.
Esayifuna uclaima ubuyela back in this area uGaza, Tel Aviv, Israel, Jerusalem kuze kuyofika eNazareth.
Yeah.
Those are Judeans. Okay. That is why ke ubona ama Hebrews in America enze ilokhuza upogrom yokubile emuva ekhaya. Yeah.
All right, nangu Manlo Mayville Kulmathebula. Hi guys, I'm listening to your music. Oh, I love your music. Oh no, bekusasekusen la ile yamanje tsizwe.
Amen eksene awesibingelele basakazi bami. Cha, ngibonga nje ithuba number 40. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nisinike umhlahlandlelo njengalo ngoba siyadinga ukuthi sazi. Ngiyabonga kakhulu nje kuNanda FM. Ukuthi ikwazi usinika leli thuba ukuthi sifundise ngoba abaningi bethu abazi izinto langemthetho ofuna silandele nendlela okwenzeka ngayo. Siyacela ukuthi nje niqhubeke nje njalo basakazi ukuthi nisifuneke le information kanje. Ubaba Mathebula no eMaville number 37 hlela bakho siyabonga kakhulu. Amen.
Amen baba Mathebula siyabonga kakhulu. Asilungiseni ukuthula studio imali ilulazile ukholi kakhulu lobuKristu kodwa kusobala ukuthi kusaqhubeka yona imission yokucekela phansi isizwe esimnyama. There is a surah in Quran which says, let's arise a group of people who will promote what is good and fight what is evil. That's part of what you are doing there in studio. My idea is how if we can promote what your ancestors practiced here in South Africa before the invaders invaded the land, because it seems like we are concentrating in what happened after whites came with the written religion, which does not help, but promoting divisions among black people. Ngikusho lokho ngoba our ancestors' spiritual practices were all what is needed for humans and humanity. If maybe we talk less with foreign religions and talk more of our ancestors' practices, maybe that will make sense. Promoting foreign religion will worsen the situation. That is Udlamin.
Njengokazi le ukehlathini eliwest kunaleli siliyona lela lishona eliwest uyazi ngisho izwe yini yona ukube into eyenziwa ubaba mkhulu ayiright abelungu babengeke bafike bathathe izwe over. So now to go back entweni evele yahlulwa ukwenziwa kanjani ihlule leyo baba mkhulu? It's because vele basebephambene kwabona nomdali. So to practice something evele zosiphinsele emuva.
So what are you saying, Gulent? I suggest that.
No, I'm so practice into eyahlulwa.
No, let's talk more of that. Let's research.
Ngoba into esingakhuluma ngawo ama morals ukuthi sasiphethe kanje sasiku yini ozokhuluma ngayo ngoba uthi mawuthi ayiraise lethe baqhamuka abantu bathi hayi inkosazana uma nomkhubulwane this.
No, let's go back to ama art.
Nayo ileyo ma art. Uthi uyafika kuyona afika ama Greek ayihlula nama Rome. Uyabona ukuthi kwayona inenkinga wayengeke ihlulwe iKemet ngihlale ngisho uthi yahlulwa kanjani iKemet ama Greek ama Rome abantu ababengena uNkulunkulu uma yona yini uNkulunkulu.
Uthi Dlamini, let's stick to that. Remind people we have that group of people.
Yahlulwa leyanto.
But doesn't mean ayikho thaba.
It doesn't mean ukuthi ayikho kodwa manje mawuthi asiyeke lokho.
No, I think uyasuggesta la ukuthi mhlambe lento yokusikhuluma ukuthi mina bengithi mhlambe sizombuyisela inhlosweni asilungiseni, but le ayisho yokuthi ene asigxile in promoting what is good and promoting lokhu kwethu sikhulume ngako more often than ukuthi sigxile kulokhu kwamanje kwama foreign okufike nabezizwe okangithi abufike nama missionaries.
Uyazenze nama missionary iChristianity ithathe lento yaseKemet ayicorrupt.
So uthi usuggest ukuthi asistike kuloko okucorrect sikhuluma. We've been doing it all along.
We've never had a problem.
Ngihlale ngisho ukuthi sinosikhanyo senze series le all roads lead to Kemet. Ayichaza kona lokho.
Mina ngithi bengithi sizombuyisela lapho quickly ukuthi inhloso yasilungiseni, it's not promoting in that we are trying to research kuvundululwe kube kuqiniso phezulu etafula. Then those aba willing, they take and practice that in their homes, in the wherever. There are people who have changed based on what we are talking about. Beyithathe nje besilalele asibazi kusho kubazi, but umuzi umuntu esethi hey nazi nangisiza. So Dlamini, I think ihamba kanjalo asilungiseni uthi siveza konke kuyiqiniso nokuyifact. Ongelona iqiniso sizozwa ngawe ngalelo qiniso lolitholile. So we are reasoning together, we are discussing things that esizenze wrong. That is why the name is Asilungiseni. So lungisa ke masitholile information obungayazi, then you put it into practice.
Usungicacisele mina.
Yes. Thank you. Cela sisheshise laba sibona ukuthi ukhona ufuna ukusho nabantu kufuna uthole sakhona isikhathi.
Yebo, sawubona sanibonani. Nginilalele ohlelweni nanda. Ngiyasizwa isihloko enikhuluma ngaso esibalekile kakhulu ezimpilweni zethu nasemhlabeni wonkana. Lona ke okhulumayo uBN umthethwa uNyambose osengudwini eShowe. Mina ngokubuka kwami ngani zakwethu ngibona ukuthi kuleli point nje nisakhuluma ngalo njengamanje ngibona ukuthi asikho isidingo sokuthi ungasupporti ngoba usuku ungasupporti lona idlozi kodwa usuku supporta umndeni wakho lo ophilayo okuyiwona ogcina amasiko ekuthenini mangabe kukhona umsebenzi owenziwayo wokwenzela loyo othile kulabo abakholelwa kuloyo yinto. Asikho isidingo sokuthi wena uthi awuzokhipha imali ubaxhase. Ngokubuka kwami kufanele ukuthi uyikhiphe imali ubaxhase, awuxhasi lona umsebenzi noma idlozi cha, uxhasa abazali bakho noma abafweni noma odadewenu labo abenza umcimbi. kufanele uyikhiphe imali. Kodwa ke angeke ngithini phela umuntu uzibona yena uzazi yena nokuthi ucabanga kangakanani, kodwa ngibona kunjalo. Ngiyabonga.
Shalom ngiyabingelela studio, ngibingelela kumphathi ohlelo uSisimapoli Ndlovukazi, ngibingelele kubaba uMyeza, ngibingelele nakuBhuthabo nakubadideli bohlelo, abaphathi station kanye nabalaleli nje beNanda FM, kuyo yonke indawo la bakhona kulelizwe, nabaphesha kwezilwandle abalalele ngeapp, ngiyabingelela. What weekends the church? Mina ngokubuka kwami indaba yenkolo ye Christianity, into eyenza ibe weak njengamanje ukuthi abantu abaningi bayavuka, sebevukile abaningi, abanye basavuka njengamanje sikhuluma nje, amehlo ayavuleka, bayayibona bayayiqonda lento injengoba injalo ukuthi kahle iyini, futhi ayikade idalelweni. So the more abantu bevuka, the more they move away from Christianity, and they are seeking for ilokhuzana, self-actualization nelokhuzana, nokuzazi nje nokufuna nje umdali mhlambe ngezinye indlela engase mhlambe zibe ngcono kakhulu ukunale ye-Christianity nomdali lo noNkulunkulu lo seBhayibhelini esamlethelwa iBhayibheli ngabamhlophe. So ngicabanga ukuthi nje into ye-Christianity mina ngokwami into ethi ayicishe ifane nento ye-ANC, nento esiyibona yenzeka kwi-ANC, ukuthi abantu abaningi seberealizile ukuthi lezi zinto lezi kahle vele akuzona ezithu, and they are moving away from these things. And osasele ngoba uyadla noma stupid nje vele sidala, ngiyaxolisa ukusebenzisa lelo gama, kodwa nje ngizosho nje ngithi kushuthi ngoba udaliwe nje ukuthi mhlambe igama elingabe engazwakala kancane leli ukuthi uyislow learner sidalwa uyadla, yabo. Babili kuphela abantu abasadefend nabasasele kulezi zinto abasadefenda abangakafuni
Alright, uthi la uvowethu sanibonani basakazi bethu, ndilalele uhlelo lomnandi kakhulu. Danko uChabangu neSeclamont from Matatiel, siyabonga kakhulu mkhaya. Ndaba ndazinhlezi ukuthi angimzwanga njalo uMabhizi ukuthi utheni, but ke nangomunye great show as always. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much. Abangisazisho na ukuthi ena ungubani. Asinikezele thuba ndabenhle while abanye bakhona ba ku Facebook Thabo. Asiye khona
Facebook Jabu Mbonambi uqinisile uThabo iSouth Africa they celebrate everything. Ngisho ukufa baku-celebrate. Ayanda ndaba molweni lungisani asilungiseni kuyalunga. Sibusiso Ngcobo nginibingelela studio, nice topic, yazi yaqoka kahle Ndlovukazi.
Siyabonga. Siyabonga.
Emmanuel Nene usanibonani basakazi kuNanda FM. Nginombuzo lana, ngicela ukwazi ukuthi iChristianity ikhonza bani phakathi kaNkulunkulu noSathane, ngoba kulesikhathi samanje ngibona uPope amaRome ubonakala njalo esema-meeting nobusathane baze bamxhawule ephuma ezindaweni ezimnyama kugcwele amadimeni yonke indawo. Manje ngididekile ukuthi kanti kahle amaKristiana noNkulunkulu abangakhi, kanti lento yamaKristian igcwele ku social media. Uma ningasesha ku Instagram nizoyibona lento engiyishoyo. Kodwa ke ezinye izinto ifuna uyifunde, ungarely kakhulu ku Instagram ngoba vele khona yonke into lapha ku social media. To iCatholicism enye into nayo nje ungathi mawuyichaza iCatholicism nje enye into ama Christian kwawona abuya iphiki iCatholicism athi hayi iCatholicism le
okay
akuyona iChristianity so ukuze ungadideki ngendaba yamaKatholika nje neChristianity vele bayaphikana ake ngibone la skills ngubane uthi grade le banga yonke lento yeah kuleyo nendlovukazi le abathi uthi uma ngiqalo akekho umuntu okhuluma noNkulunkulu ukhona yini mase
sibuza ke manje
ngibuza futhi kumlaleli ke nje usekhaya ngabuzi kubantu abala e-studio ukhona yini manje uthi umuntu ukhuluma noNkulunkulu ngoba labade bethi bakhuluma noNkulunkulu bathe kuzoba ne-rapture asiyibonanga khona bethi bakhuluma noNkulunkulu ukuthi uyayibona ke lento yokuthi abantu bathi uNkulunkulu uthi futhi bathi kusho uJesu ngithi uNkulunkulu phela mina ngoba bathi noJesu uNkulunkulu wami kodwa nje uma umuntu ethi
athi uJesu
athi uJesu uthe uJesu uzofika azolanda ibandla lakhe kwalindwa akubandla lilandiwe so uyayibona lento uma mqala uvane problem nayo ukuthi abantu bafe baqamba amanga benza izinto ezibhede abathi uNkulunkulu uthe bese dispute lento mamqalo ayikho lento enishoyo nini le abuse abantu bese nithi uNkulunkulu uthe akho uNkulunkulu ovuma ukuthi abantu ba abuse
so it was in that context
ukuthi ni abuse igama likaNkulunkulu and ithu ngempela akekho umuntu okhuluma noNkulunkulu esikhathini samanje ubani
wathini kuyena wayekhuluma ngathi
wathini kwenzakala
language was he using
wathini kwenzakala
yo which language
ngoba umuntu othi ukhuluma noNkulunkulu ikhona ke kufuneka lama committee nje ila ngoba kufanele kabizwe it might CRL hey ngicela nisondele bo ma theologians owathi enkolo sine hearing la yomuntu othi ukhuluma noNkulunkulu ake nisondele nizomquestiona
ubizwe ne-theologian
angizwa
khona phela bobizo khona aba-theologian
ngisho khona ukuthi bazohlanganiswa phela kuthiwa anzeni nizokuquestiona lo muntu lo uthi ukhuluma noNkulunkulu kufuneka into enjalo manje ezokwakhiwa ngoba bahleli nabantu beSRL hey bathi yazi abantu thina sesibalaleke besitshela abantu beSRL hey abafundisi basikhulumela imanga yabo so kudingeka ke kuzolandwa abanye abantu ke bale Christianity uthi ake thina sohlala as a commission la silalela ake nimquestion nina lo muntu
ezocacisa kwenzakalana nami
I'm convinced ukuthi mina umuntu oclaim ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhulume naye is suffering from severe mental health disorder honestly yes it might sound judgmental but ngeke ngizokwenza
sikhohliswa yini ke thina abanye ukuthi into nento isihlezi ne context
lokwazi yazi lento le fortunately mina nje kakhulukazi la KZN ngisabane le lobby group nje abantu abambalwa kabi lapha the most ngisho ama organization engikhuluma nabo wabafundisa amakholo bayamangala ukuthi yini lephikiswe labantu makuthiwa abeze bazo keep code of conduct yabo ba regulate into yabo bona yini bangafuni yazo abantu abaningi bayamangala bayibuza abantu ukuthi yini lebalekelwe yilabo
yeah I think iyadinga lento ukuthi kilokho ngoba manje siconfuse sonke thina ke sayithandela inkosami izinto eziyaphambili neziqondile especially ke ngoba sila ka asilungise singaconfuse bafowethu sayithande noNkulunkulu phakathi into kamdala ke ngisho njalo ngoba manje nami sengifake confusion yami ngedwa into abenhle you wanted to say something, can you summarize?
In madness mysticism they were the same face. Yeah. Madness and mysticism put on the same makeup. In madness and mysticism they think the same. Corinthians were abantu. Okay, befuna ukuchaza lokho. Uyazi ukuthi uma uthi eSouth Africa kuqale kwakunamalanga awu3 elinye lelisempumalanga izizwe eziningi zaqhamuka elangeni eliphakathi kwase kuthi ezinye izizwe zaqhamuka emvolo zayiphuma elanga langanhlanye naselanga langanhlanye, and then you create a belief system out of that. But the truth is umuntu uqhamuka elangeni Can the son give birth to a human being? Now, in mystery, but your mystery is to kunikeza a foundation.
Mythology.
Yeah. Now, what is happening with the South Africans? They are so obsessed with mysticism to a point where Christians have fallen victim to mysticism. Now, imagine, inkinga nge-mysticism imike yafika kanti vele ekhanda kukho grand. We. I would advise ukuthi umuntu ngampela othi God is speaking to him aka exercise discernment. Which voice kufanele ke ngithi ifike mina kwi counseling ngithi babona uJesu no what racial background just athiwe emhlophe ngithi okay wayikhuluma iphi language kwayikhuluma ngesingisi noma kumuntu ongasazi ngisodwa kangiwacaphuna amazwi wakhe. That's delusion of grandeur.
Umuntu abakhona ngisho isizwe samangisi singakabi khona
abang we just speaking English. Ebese bethi abanye no there's possible. With God, everything is possible. Now, so with mental health disorder, I'm at delusions of grace.
And ngampela lo Jesus ka enik mukhuluma English. Indaba phela because uGod wazi zonke izilimi akakhuluma ngolimi lwakho because alukhuluma ngalazi phela umntana
alukho futhi uyawe umuntu uthi ukhuluma nawe
yes so mayikhuluma nawe it's possible ngisho akuthiwa umhlopheke kodwa akhulume ngelanguage yakho ngoba phela izilimi zonke uyazazi.
Okay, before we run out of time, there's another one
more engena manje engathi angasebenzisa isiZulu mechaza ubaba undaba ehlise singisi khona kuzozwakala kahle.
Hey Kusam I think ene manje mhlambe fanele sikhulume lena yesingisi nesizulu ndaba enhle. I think into eyiningi sekufanele ke manje sithathe ama notes nekhaya. Mina I always look for the positive and progressive thing. Uma ekhuluma ngesingisi bhala igama ongalizwanga mina ngiyengizwe la yini ukuthi go and search for it because ngesazi lutho ke ngempela because yonke le information it's in English.
Khona namagama
singazanga ngempela
amagama ngekho.
You understand?
On the first because of time.
So manje for progress yeah, for progress sake.
When uzosho ngezulu, what is a noble lie? No, the first what is
ngingathi yileli elisizotha amahle akhona namanga amahle
anohlonze falsehood. A propagator abantu abaniphethe for social order, manipulation and control. uPlato uncoma imsebenzi yoku-invent isihogo. Outside generation ngokune dumping site okwakuthiwa ikesho ini sheho noma igehona la kwakulahla ushiswa njalo yabo.
Yeah,
so ngesikhathi be-invent isihogo yafaniswa nalapho kusekuthiwa nawe before uyezulu uzoqala udlule emlilweni ulungisela umbuso wezulu.
Yeah,
imyth leyo meaning to say isihoga sikho. That's a noble lie. Amanga anziwa uPlato kwincwadi yakhe The Republic ukuze nikwazi ukucontroleka ni manipulate kube khona ukusaba for the sake of discipline. But uPlato umbulali kumina ngoba wasegqekeza wantshontsha amandla omuntu self discipline and self control, something abantu abantsundu ababama expect ngokusho kwaThabo before the Abrahamic era or dynasty. Abantu bakithi babekwazi ukuyithiba bekwazi ukuyiphetha. Ngithe a statement esiyingozi kabi ngathi mina South Africa Christianity will fall under the sword of fornication. Am I right? Alcohol and dancing ke sekuyi tombstone le. Ayikho Queen Jabgas. Ayikho ivideo engihlukumeza up to this day. Ukubona ingane zaseChina zipheka, zidrive ama-TMP, zinikeza injini, ziclean, ziyifake kwelinye ibhokisi kanti not grease. Iphuma intsha sha bese ifundisa ukumeja ilokuza ama-piston. Each child iphethe irula lokumeja ama-piston. Meaning ngala on your right ingane za South Africa ezikhindile sidansa phezu kwama desk, so meaning to say
phezu kwamatsha amathuni.
yeah le ingane lezi busy zipheke China, laba badansa bazodependa kuzona later on in life.
Yeah,
ama victim abo
Yeah.
izona njengoba idansa, they are literally surrendering to slavery for the benefit lezengane zaseChina enjani eyiphekayo at the age of 4.
ulwa nobanike intweni enje. Can we come to the truth bazalwane? Sikabuyela kulelo qiniselo njalo ukuthi ene kumoshakele and part of it nathi simoshe ngokuthi sikhulise ngendlela esakhuliswa ngayo sayekelela. You know, I'm ngisaid guys.
Abantu basuke bangenwe lento yamalungelo.
But they ilungelo liza ne responsibility time. It has been said all over again. But it does come.
It does, but ana responsibility ngoba finally khona bese liseke irresponsibility sekelo umthetho. Njengoba iconstitution
usuvala ngicela ufunde lapha, ufundele abalaleli ngesingisi.
Umthetho iconstitution ngala so
purpose
ilento ayikwazi ke ivele ilungelo manje laba abasebenzisa yonke into hayi sinelungelo lokwenza ukuthi sinelungelo aba understand ukuthi yini ilungelo isonto the church la lifele libe weak khona manje. It's because it has served its purpose eyayizele kanti kuhlanganwe lapha ku Belgian conference okuqala
yebo
iza lento la ize ngenhloso yokuzokwenza abantu babe dom babe docile babe isonto nje la bese sithatha izwe sibaphathe. Now lento athi khulunywa umlaleli la usikizazi nombali ukuthi abantu sebeyavuka. So the time bevuka asibulaleke isonto bangavuki nalento yabo nje abahlakaza isonto lenziwa libe nje njengoba ithi mina kunama lobby uyabona nje ngiyayinotice into ene lobby group phakathi ukuthi le nto ke isuke ina something esile ezoyenza and they fear the thing bese kupushwa ama lobby group ukuthi awayiphikise because uma isonto thina abantu abamnyama singase silithathe sisebenzise in a positive way lizophenduka labona laba bebezosicindezela ngalo because uma silithatha isonto sibuyisa ama morals ngalo
yebo
sifundisa abantu ukuthi wathi uNkulunkulu akusetshenzwe
yebo
abantu bazovuka bevuswa isonto so asingayivumeli isonto lenze lento esishiwo manje kuthiwa iregulate lento ayibe ne code of conduct bese ngoba into ekhalisa CRL futhi ukuthi niyenzani iminikelo yabantu ngiyayithatha yona iminikelo niyenzani
ayaziwa
because if ibande bengalekelela uhulumeni noma ababusi bezwe sikhathi lithatha imali kubantu alibe nama project ukuthi abantu baphile futhi but uma livele thatha imali umfundisi ehambe ngama SUV nani uyabona ukuthi it's a scam leyo nto leyo ayisizi ngalo but it has the power istamia kwenza lento idize imiyenza leyo nto ithatha imali from the people yakhe yakha ama industry yakha yonke into imali yabantu
bahlwe into simple igovernment inikeza izingane consent to sex ibandla lathula lagcina libhodle uyibona nje khonkothele phansi uyibona nje khonkothele phansi bebenze njalo yet they would have gone direct to the government and stage a protest and sitting to are not going to sign this into law. Ndlovukazi awufunde lapho purpose ufunde nje kakhulu.
Purpose, the law unites the city and encourages individuals to accept their role.
Ahlanganisa ibandla namadolobha.
Nama individuals to accept their role by believing it is a matter of divine arrangement.
Ukuthi noma udodo ongakanani okhulunywa phezu kwabo bawamukela ukuthi kuyiqiniso, especially maclaim ukuthi kuvela ezulwini.
It provides a sense of purpose and makes them care for each other and
ibanikeza ilungelo lokuhlangana babe imbumba bapheke ndawonye kube nemthandazo bavuka ekseni baye esontweni beyohlanganyela qhubeka
iphele
kodwa impilo zabo sibe njani they remain the same.
Okay.
Amanga lento uthabo amanga ipurpose yawo uma sekuziwa kwi divine space it's just to unite the people umsebenzi wamanga lo.
Imagine if iChristianity ngasika iphethini kustekeni kube no stekeni about 10 nje KZN. Okay KZN kufanele kuno stekeni about 10. Uyabona ukuthi manje umuntu omnyama ngani powerful kangakanani. Lento izothini umuntu omnyama sekwazi ukuyimela. Lento angayifunda ama lobby group because the church has that power.
All right, there's this thing. I'm a modern examples. Do you wanted me to read?
No.
Oh, all right. But yeah. So ashona ngezulu. Siyabonga bafowethu. Sisinimzwana nje if you bekuyikhole ngenayo sikusho whether it's part of the conversation because besacele ukuthi uma umuntu efisa ukuconverse nathi sicela ukuthi nje asende iVN noma asende abhale okwamanje ingcingo asikabi naluhlelo lokuthi sisithathe ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sonke sikwazi ukuphawula ngendlela futhi bese siyazwakala. Thank you so much abaku Facebook elakho ke lokugcina ke oskipha nalo Thabo.
Thabo kaSambothu uyabonga. Asifundeni makwethu ngempela ukuthi silalisise izinto singabi abantu eqhamuka abantu bavele bakhulume nje ne discernment ihlale ekhulunywa ngayo lapho asiqiniseki icabangisise ngempela into ekhulunywayo ngaphandle kokuthi uvele uyamukele nje kakhulukazi inkolo iyinto enhle kwayona iChristianity le iyinto enhle if izosetshenziswa ngendlela eright ngempela kubuyelwe emuva ngoba uma ulifunda iBhayibheli linezinto zobuntu eziningi njengoba ngisho ethi linama morals uyiphatha yini lakhe imndeni eminingi imndeni okuthiwa ubaba wayephuza kwafika abafundisi wangena enkolweni ethile wakheka umndeni umuntu waphila wawumuntu so iyaphilisa lento uma yenzeka ngendlela basobha laba bathi ke siphila ngegrace akunamthetho ayikho indawo ngenamthetho ngisho umuzi ongenamthetho ekuthiwa ikampunzi edlemini khona engena manje futhi manje ngiyibona la Plantation uSipesihle nala kaThulani Plantation's greeting ngicela acacisele umlaleli ngombuzo kaBaba uSambothu khona yini umuntu okhuluma noNkulunkulu apart from Christians akekho umuntu okhuluma noNkulunkulu Magwaza ichaze kahle kwiVM echaza ngegama God umuntu osezingeni elithize ngokwalana emhlabeni so labo uNkulunkulu uma ubezwa bethi uNkulunkulu uthi that's their own reality usuke ekhuluma nembono or imizwa yemicabango
yebo
ekhuluma kuyena nayo ekumele ibheke ukuthi i-energy eclean yini kodwa uma sesiya ku God the creator akekho wazi ngaye futhi akekho oyoke azi ngokwami ngiyafisa engabe leli gama lika God ngabe limela ukuthi lokho kungenakwaziwa yazi ama message avela kufika ngene sengena kanjani
akazali futhi akazali
siphozuma sanibonana asilungiseni ispiritual awakening siyadingeka kubantu ukuze kuphele ukuba amakhola kodwa babe abalandeli beqiniso hayi ngeke asengena maningi kakhulu kanti sesiyaphuma phakamani esibiya ngicela usebenzise isiZulu baba ndabe wethi hayi sesi addressile le
okay yes tabe yokugcina lapho
so bengithi mina isibonge Dlovukazi kakhulu Ngibonga kakhulu ngalohlelo ngikholwa ukuthi uzocaphuna izinto ezibe nohlonzo ujikele ngeke ngithandile into yenzweni ujikele ku TikTok evisebenzile uthola ama messages aseLimpopo u3 ngathola ama messages eTsanini usisem ngathola enye message eHammanskraal ngathola in other words bafuna more and lonto izolida to YouTube ukuthi abantu bakwazi uku-access so makhona izinto ezinohlonzo sikhulumile caphuna ubhuxeke then sothatha njalo inumber yami ithi 0766633954 ngiphinde mlaleli uNanda FM 0766633954
all right siyabonga kakhulu umlaleli siyabonga kakhulu ukuhlezi uhleli kanye nathi siyaphuma ke njengamanje ngifuna ukusho ke thina silwela impumelelo mawuzonda thina ayuzonda wena uqobo ke ngempela ngoba sifuna ukubona umuntu omnyama ephumile ebuqileni ngizokhipha sophuma ngale na bafowethu siphuma ngestep manje